Free $750 Target gift card just for completing a few simple online tasks sounds like an easy win. But CircleGifted.com is one of those platforms that raises a lot of questions the moment you look closer. At first glance, the website presents itself as a reward-based system where users can supposedly unlock a high-value gift card after completing offers, surveys, or app installs, but once the process starts, the pattern becomes very different from what is advertised. Instead of a straightforward reward claim, users are repeatedly redirected through multiple third-party pages, endless survey loops, and promotional offers that never seem to reach a final completion point. In many cases, users are pushed towards signing up for trial subscriptions, downloading apps, or entering personal details that go far beyond what a simple giveaway should require. Another major concern is the complete lack of any official connection with Target, which means there is no verified partnership backing the promised reward. Alongside this, many similar platforms use urgency messages, fake winner pop-ups, and countdown timers to pressure users into continuing, creating the illusion that the reward is just one step away. However, reported user experiences often show that the reward is never actually delivered, no matter how many steps are completed. Instead, participants may end up receiving spam emails, marketing calls, or even unwanted subscription charges from third-party offers they unknowingly accepted. The system itself appears to operate on a commission-based model where traffic and user engagement are monetized, rather than actual gift cards being distributed. While it may look like an easy opportunity on the surface, the deeper structure suggests a setup designed more for advertising revenue and lead generation than genuine giveaways, leaving users with time wasted and potential privacy risks instead of the promised $750 reward.